Hey viewers, this is Yosh with Crossover Media Blog, bringing you the very first official video blog in our 15 blog series. So excited. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are going to be covering the topic sports are not just sports anymore. And how has that changed throughout the years? As an athlete, you are trying to, win those championships, get the opportunity to get those contracts to become a professional athlete. So now it's not just athletes making money again in that arena, but making money outside of that. And so really, changing the way they market themselves, how they advertise. And so, how are these different companies able to take advantage of not just this athlete getting all this attention, but how do they change that into dollar signs? And so, looking at the athletes of today who are the most marketable athletes, and you have to think about, of course, Tiger Woods. So in 2018, according to Forbes, he came in making for his net worth around $43.3 million. And so doing the research, looking that up, I was shocked to find out how much that was as far as advertisement, marketing, endorsements pretty much, and how much he made actually on the course. And so let's check it out. Bam. It's ridiculous. And so, in alone in those endorsements, $42 million make up pretty much his whole network. Still making $1.3 million on the field. Sorry, on the course is amazing and it's all in its own. But looking at, these athletes, how are they able to do this? And so, it is going to be very interesting to see what we're able to uncover, how many of these different athletes are making more than just what they are on their contracts is crazy. So again, just a lot of different things that athletes are doing to market themselves. How much does that make if they can get people to watch them, but more or less how they can get people to buy the brands. And so how that has changed what sports are. Again, it's not about just making the points, getting those championships. It's what can you sell? How can you sell it? And, are you the face of their new brand? And, you decide telling, what are sports just sports anymore? Or, has it changed to a different beast?